What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to turn off and restart your iPad. If you're looking to shut down or restart your iPad, there are two simple methods you can use depending on the situation. Let's start with the standard way to turn it off. Press and hold the volume up button and the power button at the same time. Keep holding them until you see the slide to power off screen appear. Once you see it, drag the slider to the right and your iPad will power down within a few seconds. To turn your iPad back on, just press and hold the top button until you see the Apple logo appear. Once the logo shows up, release the button and your iPad will boot back up and be ready to use. Now, if your iPad is unresponsive or frozen and you want to perform a forced restart, there's another method that doesn't require using the touch screen. Quickly press and release the volume up button, then quickly press and release the volume down button, and then immediately press and hold the top button. Keep holding it even when you see the slide to power off screen. The screen will go black, and shortly after, the Apple logo will appear. Once it does, release the button and the iPad will restart automatically. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.